Smith & Wesson's large frame revolvers are a favorite choice among handgun hunters, competitive shooters, and revolver enthusiasts. These revolvers are available from production, M&P, Classics, Champion Series, and Performance Center, in a variety of chamberings in 357 Magnum, 44 Magnum, and 45 ACP, offered in several different barrel lengths. Smith & Wesson provides the user plenty of options for a variety of shooting applications and frame series. Model 629 5-barrel. Tech specs. Width 1.7 in. Length 10.5 in. Height 6.1 in. Weight 45 pesos. Caliber 357 Magnum. Size large. Capacity 6. Action single double action. Barrel length. View. Grip synthetic. Sights red ramp. Optic ready. No. Safety none. Color finish silver. Threaded barrel no. Barrel material stainless steel. Frame stainless steel. Lacer no. 10LB trigger yes.
Okay, subok natin to Smith & Wesson na 357, pero ang bala po na gagamitin natin is 30 special po na arms core. Okay, try natin.
Hanggat hindi lumalabas ang fly.
Okay, firing. Okay. Sarap gamitin, hindi siya mapalag. Manageable yung ano niya, yung recoil niya, sarap iputok. 0-0, 357 Magnum Smith & Wesson, pero bala ginamit natin 38 special na full metal. Nice unit.